is Amandeep. I'm basically from HR background. At present, I've taken a sabbatical from my work due to some personal reasons. Since a long time, I've had this inclination towards writing, communicating my ideas. I've been writing my blogs since a long time, and I'm here at Henry Harvin doing this certified digital content writing course, wherein I have learned lot many things regarding how to put down your ideas on paper, keeping in mind the technical aspect as well. Yes, writing has always interested me, and as I told, I've been writing since a long time, but there are many technical aspects that I've learned here at Henry Harvin, various writing tools, various research methods that I was not aware of earlier. I am content with the course. I'm content with the course